When you talk about this problem to patients and the public, but also doctors and policymakers, they are appalled at what we've tolerated. We've had 3 decades of failing to fix this problem, and the time really has come to draw a line underneath it and fix it for good.
When I saw the doctor who gave me the diagnosis, I wanted to hear anything but the word cancer, but that didn't happen. When, a couple of days later, my doctor raised the possibility of a clinical trial, there wasn't really much of a decision I felt that I had to make. I genuinely wanted some good to come out of my situation, no matter what was going to happen to me. To find out that not all clinical trials were being published is just horrifying. It's an insult to me and to everyone else who volunteers to do these trials.
Doctors have unintentionally wasted huge amounts of money on treatments which either are less effective than we thought or were unnecessarily expensive, and we've exposed patients to harm by giving them the less effective of the currently available treatment, simply because clinical trial results have been withheld from us. The best currently available evidence shows that on average the chances of a completed trial being published are roughly 50-50, and trials with positive, flattering results are about twice as likely to be published as trials with negative results.
The vast majority of medicines we use every day came on the market a decade or more ago. It's these trials where half of them haven't published results, so for the medicines we use every day, information is missing.
How can they possibly run trials in healthy volunteers, or worse, on sick people, knowing that they don't intend to make the information available?
We need immediate access to the full methods and results of all trials on all uses of all the treatments that are currently being prescribed to millions of patients today.
Hundreds of organisations who have joined the campaign, including research funders, companies and academic institutes, have started serious discussions about all they can do to achieve more transparency.
Terms like trust and transparency haven't been closely associated with the industry. And at GSK we've realised there's more we can do to be more open and transparent about the research we conduct. And if independent researchers can come along and provide a fresh perspective on the research we've done, that's great for science, it's great for us, and most importantly, it's going to improve patient care.
Clinical trials aren't just done on drugs, they're done on psychiatric treatments, medical devices, surgical techniques, in veterinary science. Anybody who funds and runs clinical trials should sign up to the campaign. Yes, it's worrying about what you might find. Everybody has skeletons in their cupboards. But now is the time for more companies and more institutes to make a commitment.
We know that withholding the results of clinical trials costs lives, wastes money, inflicts avoidable suffering and harm on patients. And so I don't think it's any longer tenable to say, we didn't know.
To make medicine better, we've got to make clinical trials count. Please share this film with friends and family and sign the petition at alltrials.net.